Hi and welcome. Today we are going to be making black bean burgers in the air fryer today, and I will tell you right now these turned out great. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I have my pan heating up. I have one small onion finely chopped and a half of a green pepper also finely chopped. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of olive oil to my pan. And I'm going to go ahead and saute these. Probably about 2 or 3 minutes. It's not going to take long. Okay, these have been going for about 3 minutes. I have one chipotle pepper and adobe sauce that I put through my food processor. It's basically, I just pureed it. I'm going to go ahead and add that. And I have about 2 cloves of garlic. I'm just going to go ahead and let this go for about another minute. This has been going for a minute. I'm just going to go ahead and turn my heat off. I'm using a 15-ounce can of black beans. I went ahead, drained, and rinsed them. I'm going to put about half in here. I'm going to go ahead and take my fork and mash them up. Just going to go ahead and transfer these to my bowl. And I'm just going to go ahead and take the other half of the black beans and add them too. Now I'm going to take the sauteed vegetables and just go ahead and add it. Go ahead and mix that up a little bit, and then we're going to put this to the side. I decided last minute to go ahead and add some fresh parsley only because I need to use it up, so that's totally optional. Okay, I have 1 beaten egg. I'm going to go ahead and add about 1 tablespoon of cumin, and I added just under a tablespoon of chili powder. I'm going to add salt and pepper to taste. Go ahead and mix that all up. I'm going to go ahead and take our egg mixture and pour it in to our beans. Mix that all up good. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add some panko breadcrumbs. This almost looks whole wheat to me, but it says plain on the container. Anyway, I'm not sure I'm going to add it all, probably most of it. I'm going to go ahead and mix this up and see what we have. And that is looking good to me. So that was about 2/3 of a cup of panko breadcrumbs. Okay, now we are ready to form these into patties. I'm going to go ahead and use my parchment paper. You don't have to do this. Either way, if you use it or not, spray your basket. So I'm going to go ahead and spray. Add my patties. I'm going to go ahead and spray the tops of these with some olive oil. Okay, let's go pop these in the air fryer. Okay, I am setting the temperature to 350 and we are going to start off at 10 minutes. Okay, it's been 10 minutes on the first side. I did check them halfway through. I think I'm going to go ahead and flip it over. Probably don't need to, but I'm going to. to let it go for 2 more minutes on 350. Okay, I have a ciabatta roll here that I toasted in the air fryer. Now I'm going to go ahead, instead of using mayonnaise or whatever, I'm going to use some roasted red pepper hummus. That might be a bean overkill, but I think it would be good on here. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add some lettuce. Grab one of these black bean burgers. Okay, I'm going to go take my thumbnail picture real quick and then we will dig into this. I went ahead and cut this in half. I'm going to go ahead and take a bite. You know, this would be good with avocado too. I have to say that is pretty darn good. And not to brag or anything, but these are a lot better than that frozen stuff. That is really good. I think my husband might even like this. I love the hummus on here too. If you found this video helpful, please hit that thumbs up button. Hit that bell. That will let you know when I post a new video. Also, if you have not subscribed, please consider doing so. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.